We're about to watch One Guy, One Screwdriver.
We have not ever seen this before, so this will be totally new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen like 4 seconds and then you just pressed extra. Here we go.
Here we go.
The fun begins.
Orgish TV. That's fucking
Big wiener.
Everyone likes the big wiener.
Loading.
Yes,
loading,
you do, Trent.
loading.
You take it so far with the big wiener.
Oh my god.
I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Who would do that shit?
Oh
God.
oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh, what's wrong with that guy?
Damn, Trent, that looks like something to do.
No, not even. Yeah, it's gotta be like that. Oh.
Oh, damn.
Oh. And it just, oh. Dude. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh.
That goes in the door, not your dick.
Oh, shit.
Fucker.
Oh, dude. Oh. Oh, my God. Like that. Oh.
Fuck that.
Oh, sick shit.
Oh.
Sick shit.
Damn.
No, that wasn't cool.
Nasty.
Oh.
Yeah, it didn't last that long compared to the other ones, but
Whoa.
yeah.
It was messed
Wow,
up,
that was
man.
gross.
Messed up.
Oh, God. How would you get that up there? I mean, how would you get a screwdriver in your dick?
Did you hear the girl in the beginning?
Oh, yeah,
That
Oh.
was messed up.
that was creepy. That was really creepy. I honestly would think that it's the same guy who did the one guy, one jar. Cause you know,
Yeah,
it's the same. Probably have his tip of his dick cut off, cause you know, just got a little too big.
Nah, it was
Okay, I think we're done.
Yeah.
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 messed up.
Bye.
Hola, senor.